Hello, we're here. We're back at 11256 Forest Grove. Last time we were here, we were doing an eviction of sorts. We were getting everybody that had wound up living here or squatting here, I should say, because no one was really a tenant. You can see we cleaned everybody out here. This was an encampment. It was a nightmare. We've spoken to neighbors since. It was just a bad situation. So everybody's happy that we're here and getting this cleaned up. Our client is absolutely ecstatic. She's so glad that we were able to get law enforcement involved and everybody to get to where we're at now. So now we're in the cleanup process. If you can see, we've already gone as far as boarding up the property to make sure that no one gets back inside. We've got a crew out here right now, a couple guys getting everything cleared out. They had just amassed a ton of stuff back here, so we've been dealing with some drug paraphernalia that was removed in this case. Mattresses, beds, I mean, you name it, it was back here. It was unbelievable. But we're closer to getting this place cleaned up. If you want to take a look at how extensive the vegetation is back here as well, we're gonna have to get that cleaned out and get it ready for market. So this is a service that we provide for our clients in this case. So we get in here, we get dirty for you so that you don't have to deal with this type of situation. We know that going through probate and getting things situated is hard enough. So we want to make sure that we can take this off your plate, in this case, make the whole process less stressful, and you let the professionals deal with it. We'll take care of it. This is what we do. Okay, so we're currently securing the property right now, making sure that all entrances onto the property are secured, as apparently the squatters that were staying here, the multitude of squatters, were utilizing apparently the neighbor's house to gain access through the backside of the lot, and obviously making it less conspicuous, and you know, authorities wouldn't be able to monitor the property from street view. So we're now locking up the back part of the lot and making sure that there's no access to this property from either side. And well, it looks like we're doing a pretty good job. These guys are amazing. So this concludes our second visit to the house. Finally getting cleared out and secured, boarded up now. In this case, we did another walk to make sure that they hadn't done any further damage to the property. It looks like they're not coming back, thankfully. We've locked up the chain link fence here. We've secured again the backyard. In this case, they were making their way back in, as I mentioned. But it looks like we're almost there at this point. So all looks good now. This is all it. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If there's anything that you're going through at this time that would need attention to detail, any type of situation, no matter how hairy it looks, in this case, we can help you out. Call us. This is Julio, the Bonilla Group, keeping it real estate.